Now question number 2. Now question number 2. Two vectors A and B are defined. A equals to A into I and B equals to A into cos omega ti plus sin omega tj, where A is the constant and omega equal to pi by 6. Omega equals to pi by 6 radian per second. If mod A plus B equals to root 3 into mod A minus B at a time of tau, for the first time, then find the value of tau. These are the two vectors. At tau time, what happens? This condition happens. This condition created. So, what is the time? The time we want to find. So, this is our question. So, reverse going. This is the condition applying, corresponding time I am finding. Now, you apply the condition. What are the conditions? Mod A plus B equals to root 3 into mod A minus B. So, this implies mod A. What is the A? A into I plus B. What is the B? A into cos omega ti plus sin omega tj. A into cos omega t into I plus sin omega t into j, that equals to root 3 into mod. What is the A? A into I minus B. What is the B? This value. A into cos omega ti plus sin omega tj. Now, this I am simplifying. Now, mod A into I plus A cos omega t into I plus A sin omega t into j. That is LHS. This is LHS. Now, what is the RHS? RHS. What is the RHS? Root 3 into AI minus A cos omega t into I minus A sin omega t into j. Okay. So, LHS equals to RHS. Now, here I am taking I common, I. So, that belongs to what happens? AI you take. Now, what I am getting? 1 plus cos omega t. So, A you take common, 1 plus cos omega t into I, totally x component. Similarly, plus A sin omega t into j, totally y component. That equals to root 3 into mod. Here you take A common, 1 minus cos omega t into y minus A sin omega t into j. Now we are finding its magnitude. One vector magnitude how comes? A1i plus A2j, root A1 square plus A2 square. That concept we are applying for finding magnitude. implies, what is the formula here? You write the formula first. If A equals to A1I plus A2J, then mod A equals to square root of A1 square plus A2 square. That is the concept. That concept you apply. This is totally A1, this is totally A2. So now what I am writing? Square root of A into 1 plus cos omega t whole square. A into 1 plus cos omega t whole square. That is A1 square plus A2 square plus, what is the A2? A square sin square omega t. This is total in the root only. Again that equals to root 3 into A1 square plus A2 square plus minus A1 square plus minus half A2 whole square means again plus 1 happens. So what writing here? A into 1 minus cos omega t whole square plus A sin omega t whole square. That means A square sin square omega t. A square sin square omega t. Again, this implies now root of A square into 1 plus cos omega t whole square plus A square sin square omega t, that equals to root 3 into root A1 square plus this is root 1, root of A1 square plus A2 square, root 3 into root of A square into 1 minus cos omega t whole square plus A square sin square omega t. This is like A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. That step I am writing directly. So A square into 1 square means 1 plus cos square omega t plus 2 into 1 into cos omega t. 2 cos omega t. Plus A square sin square omega t, that equals to root 3 into again square root of this also I am writing directly. A square into A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. 1 square 1 plus B square cos square omega t minus 2 into 1 into cos omega t minus 2 cos omega t plus A square sin square omega t. A square sin square omega t. Now so both sides root cancel. Now finally what I am getting? This implies A square into, okay, you take from here and here A square common. Now what I am getting? 1 plus cos square omega t plus 2 cos omega t plus sin square omega t. Root, this root totally cancel. Now we are what I am getting? 3 into A square. So 3A square so here what I am taking finally, this root and root total root cancel. Here I am taking a square common, so this value comes finally. So 3a square into 1 plus cos square omega t minus 2 cos omega t plus sin square omega t. That's all. Now a square cancel. This implies sin square omega t plus cos square omega t. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. That 1 plus 1 again 2 plus 2 cos omega t. That equals to 3. Two plus 2 cos omega t. LHS. Here 3. Same thing. Sin square omega t plus cos square omega t. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2 cos omega t. Again I am taking 2 common. Now you take 2 common. Now what I am getting? 1 plus cos omega t. 3 into, again I am taking 2 common. 1 minus cos omega t. This 2 cancel. 1 plus cos theta. 2 cos square theta by 2 formula. So 2 cos square omega t by 2. 1 minus cos theta. 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 sin square omega t by 2. These are the formulas. Remember these formulas. Here what are the formulas? Since 1 plus cos theta equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2. Here 2 cancel. Again here 3 also there, into 3. 3 into 2. So finally what I am getting? What are the remaining things? Cos square omega t by 2, that equals to 3 into sin square omega t by 2. 3 coming this side, 1 by 3. Sin square omega t by 2 by cos square omega t by 2. So 1 by 3 sin theta by cos theta tan theta. So tan square omega t by 2. Otherwise you write this as tan square omega t by 2 equals to 1 by 3. Then tan theta what happens? Root. This implies tan omega t by 2. That equals to plus or minus means plus I am taking root 1 by 3. That I am writing as 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So you write this as tan omega t by 2. That equals to tan 30 degrees. So what about omega t by 2? That equals to 30 degrees. So omega into t by 2. 30 I am writing as pi by 6. Pi equals to 180. 180 by 6 equals 30. But here given as omega. What here given omega value? Pi by 6. So you write this again here. Pi by 6 into t by 2 equals to pi by 6. Pi by 6 cancel. Finally what I am getting? T by 2 equals to 1. Otherwise t equals to tau. That equals to 2 seconds. After 2 seconds this condition creates for those vectors.